Hi, how are ya? So today we will be making our very own fashionable harness out of dog harnesses. So let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so I did a little bit of shopping and I bought these dog harnesses and leashes I found at the 99-cent store. I also bought these decorations I will use to decorate the harness. Let's do a quick ASMR, shall we? There we go. Ooh. Oops. Oh my gosh, I can't I can't open it. And there we go. Okay, so I think I have an idea of what I'm going to do. So these two I am going to use for my thighs. And I was actually I actually put it on. Right now I'm going to show you how. And I don't think I really have to do much with anything. I think all I'm going to do is just cut this off and just leave this freely, and I don't know, put a little bit of decorations on it. We'll see. Then for my chest harness, and then I'm just going to either sew it or glue it, most likely sew, and just decorate it. I am going to cut this off with some scissors. We're gonna probably use this later for the garter. Okay, so I finished sewing it and I tried to do the little crisscross stitch, if you know what I mean. Anywhoosies, I have a little life hack for you all. To get rid of this little fuzzy thing left over, you can use a lighter and it'll easily get rid of that little fuzzy thingy, and you'll have a nice sealed this. You can also use it to seal your stitching, which I like to do. But yeah, this is how it ended up. This is how it looks. So now what I'm going to do is use my little decorations and start gluing them. Alrighty guys, so I figured out how I am going to use this harness as a garter. So I got this, right? Then I made it small all the way. So I'm not gonna end up using this part, so I'm just going to cut that off. So I'm going to use this as a front because I just like how these little things look, so that's why it's gonna be here. And then the back, oh, also we're gonna cut off this. So let's cut that off too. So now the back is gonna look like that. And I am just going to push these thingies there. I'm going to glue them so they don't move. And then we might add some rhinestones or something. Here we go. So remember these little things? Let me just cut this off real quick. Okay, so I had extra from the harness I made, and I am going to use that to connect these. I don't know if it makes sense. So right here, I'm just going to do it as it was originally, you know. I'm gonna sew it and whatnot. So let me just add a little pin. Oops. And then it's gonna be easy to attach. And it also looks nice. Like, I love all the metal. This little mini ring it has right here to hold it. And then you can adjust it how long or how short you want it. And then I'm going to sew it here and cut off the excess. So let's go do all that stuff. After sewing and putting decorations on it, this is how it ended up. So this is how it looks with shorts on, and this is how it looks with pants on. I'm really happy how the results turned out because you can literally make a whole combination with the garter and the harness. You can use the harness alone, you can use both garters, or you can use it like this as I'm demonstrating right now. You can also just use one or the other. You can use it so many ways. It's just great. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos coming soon to Kids Slay. I will see you all next time. Bye bye.